you can easily share your iPhone's cellular data with your computer using a USB cable. This handy trick is called tethering. Sharing your phone's internet with your Mac via USB is a simple process. First, use the USB cable that came with your iPhone to connect it to your Mac. This establishes a physical connection between the two devices. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app, tap on Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. Toggle the Allow Others to Join switch to the On. This enables your iPhone to act as an internet hotspot. Next, open System Settings on your Mac. Click on the Network option in the sidebar. Under the Other Services section, you should see iPhone USB listed. If the iPhone USB is not listed here, click on the three dots icon at the bottom right and select Add Service. Then choose iPhone USB as the interface. Click Create to add the service. If you are already connected to Wi-Fi, you will see a yellow dot next to the iPhone USB with the status attached. In this case, you must disconnect from Wi-Fi for the tethering to work. Once you disconnect from Wi-Fi, the status will change to green dot with connected status, indicating that your Mac is now using your iPhone's internet connection. And that's it, the easiest way to turn your iPhone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for your Mac. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.